Cleaning the office. When cleaning the office, first, set aside the items on the top of the table you are going to clean. When cleaning a laptop, brush only the keyboard. Dump wipe the table using the number 8 motion. And then, clean all the other items on the table. When cleaning large items on the table, use a whisk brush or cloth. After cleaning all the items, put them back in their proper places. Next, vacuum the chair from top to bottom. Then, set aside the chair and vacuum the floor. Finally, put back the chair to its proper place.